Hello, my name is Jan, I'm from the Mont Pelerin team, and today I'm going to show you how to turn any Swiss post office into a crypto ATM. With this method, you will be able to buy Bitcoin, Ether, and all the other cryptos that we support without identification with cash at the 2,050 branches that the Swiss Post has throughout the country. This method is also a much cheaper alternative to your usual crypto ATM, which typically charges anywhere between 5 to 10% fees, while our fees go from 1.3% down to actually 0%. So let's get started. All you will need is a phone and access to a printer. You will see why in just a second. So the first step is to get our mobile app Bridge Wallet, with which you will be able to get a Swiss QR bill that we will need to print and bring to the post office for payments, as they don't accept to scan a QR code on a mobile phone. So once you will have downloaded and installed the app, create a new wallet. And once you are on it, go to Settings, My Profile, click on Register Now, choose the Sign Message Authentication Mode, click Next. You will then need to enter an email address on which you will receive your transaction notifications. Accept the terms and conditions. And that's about it. That's all you need to buy crypto with us. So in this example, we will buy Bitcoin. So let's click on BTC. Let's click on buy by bank transfer. And that's it. Here you will be able to enter the amount, the purchase currency. Of course, here we will choose Swiss franc. You will see all the detail of the exchange rate. By default, the receiving address is the address of the app, but you can receive Bitcoin on any of your wallets. Here you have the bank transfer details, and that's what we want here. Click the Swiss QR bill button. And that's it. We have our QR bill. That's what we will need to print. So I will do it just now. Print. Confirm. And that's it. Let's wait for it. Here we go. We have our Swiss QR bill. That's it. That's what we need to bring to the post office for payment. Let's go there. Here we go. I got to a local post office. So now all I need to do is to go to the counter to pay this. Let's go. That's it. So now we simply need to wait for the payment to go through and receive our BTC on our wallet. I am now back home and I have just received my BTC on my wallet, as you can see on my screen. We can actually go see the detail in the activity tab, where you will find all the information about the transaction. That's it. To finish this video, I also just want to mention that you don't necessarily need to download a mobile app to do what we just did. You can also simply use our website to obtain your Swiss QR bill. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't hesitate to share this video and make sure to follow us on all our social networks. Thank you. Bye-bye.